What's up guys, and welcome to another tutorial. So basically when I was doing some videos, it started off with the thing I did where I just did a little silly little meme where I said if the Undead Werewolf channel was on Adult Swim and everything. What I did was I used an Adult Swim watermark, and I used a TV14 watermark green screen. And basically what that means is, some of you guys might be thinking, a green screen, what do you mean, like I have to go and buy like a movie production green screen? No, this is actually going to be something for free. And when I did that, I even used one in today's video. If you saw it, I put like Squidward there and everything. Basically I just used a green screen video thing, and it's actually very easy to do. So basically there's going to be a couple things you're going to need. Sony Vegas, I don't know which version started supporting it, but I use 18, and you're going to need just a couple things. So first thing you're going to need is some video. So I basically just have Shrek memes. That's one thing I have. This is what I decided to use and everything as my video, just because Shrek is awesome. And also Shrek 5 is coming out soon anyway, so yeah, just thought it'd be kind of relevant. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to find your part of the video, and let's just say here, and then you're going to want to do insert video track, and then what you're going to want to do is open up YouTube, and I just googled, like I just put on green screen memes and stuff, and you can find all these ones, freaking like EDP, Courage the Cowardly Dog, freaking whatever the heck you want. So we're just gonna open this playlist, and sure, we'll use Report of the Week.
My disappointment is immeasurable. And my day is ruined.
Yeah, we'll just use that. So basically what you're gonna want to do is, okay, go back, I want to use that. Pause it, and you're going to want to, you don't need this list thing and everything. What you want to do is just grab it, copy it, put another tab, and then I use this MP4 converter thing. So you're going to just grab that, paste it in there, and then just wait. You're going to want to click on download, and it always opens some weird ass tab. I don't know why it does. Like every time I click download, it tries to go to some like scam site, but don't worry about that. And then after you do that, then you're going to go back to your editor. You're going to go to open. You're going to pick out your green screen thing. You'll just have it where you want it to appear, and sometimes you're going to want to delete a little bits of the video that isn't what you want, because sometimes it doesn't always start up right away. And if you play it right now,
is immeasurable. My day is ruined.
it'll just be that and everything. And so then what you're going to do is you're going to want to right click, then go to video effects, and you're going to want to go to chroma keyer, hit OK, and then you will pick apparently you can also use as blue screens and red screens and stuff, and I found one of the red screen. It didn't really work all that well. So you're going to want to click on, you can either click green screen or pure green screen, and you don't have to save it or anything, and then you can, then there you have it. So I like to remove the audio, so yeah, I just sometimes will do it where I'll be like, oh, the character's name is SpongeBob, and then I'll just put SpongeBob green screen and stuff. So then there you go, there you have your freaking spicy Shrek memes compilation with Report of the Week. Like, let's say you want to edit it or something, and then now you have it. So yeah, that is pretty much all you have to do. And there's another thing you can do as well, actually, that I mean, what you could do for it is you could just pick out a blank green screen, and you could just, well, this one's 10 hours long, but anyway, just follow the same tutorial, and then you can just put an image of, I don't know, SpongeBob or something stupid. You can just do whatever you want and everything. It's from Google. So yeah, that is pretty much how you do green screen tutorials with Sony Vegas and everything, and I don't really know how to do it on fucking like Adobe Premiere Pro or whatever. I don't know how to do it on any of those other ones. So yeah, I just wanted to make this short little tutorial for you guys. I hope it helps some of you. So thank you guys for watching and have a good day.